3D Systems has announced the formation of a new wholly owned company named Systemic Bio. The new biotech company will focus on the application of advanced bioprinting technologies for pharmaceutical drug discovery and development. The company says that Systemic Bio will leverage its breakthrough production-level bioprinting technology to create extremely precise vascularized organ models using biomaterials and human cells. These proprietary organs-on-chips can be manufactured reproducibly in large quantities and then perfused with desired drug compounds to study drug metabolism and the effects on healthy or diseased tissue at early stages of new pharmaceutical drug development. The ability to accurately simulate human response to an experimental drug in the laboratory early in the development process will offer the potential to significantly reduce both high costs and extended timelines required for pharmaceutical companies to bring new drugs to market. Additionally, the company says that this approach could eventually reduce or even eliminate the need for animal testing as a precursor to full-scale human trials for new drug development. Dr. Jeffrey Graves, President and CEO of 3D Systems, stated, "I am pleased and inspired by the progress we continue to make in the emerging field of regenerative medicine. The complexity and precision that we have now demonstrated using biocompatible materials and our most advanced production bioprinting platform technology is truly groundbreaking, opening a host of new applications ranging from the laboratory to replacement organs within the human body." 3D Systems says that it will provide $15 million in seed funding to demonstrate efficacy of the technology and associated business model. The company is targeting revenues for Systemic Bio to approach $100 million annually within 5 years. Shares of 3D Systems trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol DDD. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.